Hello trader, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to share my 5-minute trading strategy by using one live example. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is a Euro US dollar chart you can see, and I'm using 1-minute candlestick to analyze the chart. Right now market, previously it was a strong downtrend, and we can say now market is in the retracement phase. This is the retracement, and market retraces 100% of the time, like 100%. You can see it reached the last higher low, so we can say the retracement is over. Now we can first of all, let's increase the time frame, and I think we have a trade opportunity here. First of all, let me okay, so this is a good trend line which is supporting the market, and once there is a breakout, the chances will be high, very high, that market will go in the downward direction. And we can use, no, we don't require actually that. We will use one more trend line here. It will form a symmetrical triangle. Yes, okay, so you can see market is now breaking, and I'm expecting a good trading setup here. So let's wait. I'm not using this horizontal level because we are trading in the direction of the trend. So let's wait. Okay, you can see that market reverses back from that horizontal level, which is also a whole number, so we will include that one, and the number is, okay, let me make it white and bold. Now it's visible. Okay, let's remove this. So we have this descending triangle pattern, and okay, market is breaking in the upward direction, which is also a good thing, because market, if the market breaks in the upward direction, the chances will be high that market will go in the upward direction, because it is moving strongly in the upward direction, because it retraces 100%. So it shows the strength of the buyer and the intention also. We have this resistance. A clear breakout will give us a good trading opportunity. So let's wait. Okay, you can see market, okay, and it closes at the horizontal level of resistance, so we will not place any trade here. We will wait. Patience is required in such cases. You can't trade without patience. I'll use a line here. Okay, so we have this. Now let's see if, okay, market, it's coming back. Okay, it will take some time, so we have to wait. Right now market is kind of consolidated. Why? Let me show you what is stopping. You can see this is the resistance level. You can see market reverses from that very level, so we can also look on this level for a clear breakout. So what I will do now, we don't require these levels. We have these two levels. They are creating a pattern of ascending triangle. Let's wait, and okay, you can see market is now breaking in the downward direction, which is a good thing. Breakout in either direction in such case will give us a good trading setup. I'm not saying that we will going to win 100% of the time, but these kind of setup gives us good trading opportunities. And as you can see, okay, it is breaking the previous supported level. It was here. The level was 1.11350, which is also, we can say, a whole number, and whole numbers are strong when it comes to support and the resistance level, as I have explained in my previous videos so many times. And you can see it's a clear breakout, which is a good thing. So we have a trading opportunity here, and so I have placed my trade. We have got a clear breakout here. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you why I took this trade. So let's wait. So we have won this trade easily, and it was a clear like trading setup. So now let me explain you why I took this trade. So first of all, the first thing which was in my mind is the trend, which was downtrend. The second thing that it was a retracement phase. So after the retracement phase is over, the market is going to continue its trend, which is downtrend. So I was very focused to take a trade in the direction of the trend, which is downtrend here. So what I did, I used that lower wick and created a trend line of support. You can see it was the trend line, and this was the horizontal level. It all together they created a chart pattern called ascending triangle pattern. And once there is a breakout, you can see this was the breakout. It was a clear breakout. Market goes down. I didn't took that horizontal level into consideration because as we are trading in the direction of the trend and we have got a chart pattern here, so I thought it will be very, it will see, I have with experience I found that when you are trading with the trend, the horizontal level works, but the most important levels are the trend levels. If they are broken, the market will continue its trend. And if you want to check it, you can check it on the chart as well, that whenever you see that market is moving in a trend and you create a trend line with these, like if you know how to draw a trend line, then you will see that the horizontal level doesn't work that much as compared to the trend line. So that's why I use this trend line. The chart pattern is being broken. The candlestick confirmation was there. Previous candlestick was also strong. Market was consolidated, and I took the trade as soon as we got the breakout. And you can see after that market didn't stop, even retraces. Market didn't even retraces for a single minute. It goes down and down and down, and that's why it was a good trading setup for me. So I hope that you have understand something from this video, and I hope that you will do the same, will apply this chart pattern, because it works really great in conditions when, like when you are analyzing the market correctly. So we'll finish this video here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.